This is the curtain raiser program for the fourth property show of APREDA. We are going to conduct the property show on 25th, 26th and 27th. This time we are having conference, and the conference is on 25th October 2013. This time we are having about 180 stalls, and already more than 100 stalls are booked. That is, more than 70% of the SFT area has been covered. So we are very happy. Before launching the formal launch of curtain raiser program, we could do 70% of sold the stalls. So this time we are expecting more number of members to participate, because earlier also in the last property show, apart from the builders, apart from the vendors, apart from your GHMC, HMDA, Metro Rail, we have got about 22 stalls given to financial institutions. As you know that LIC is our platinum sponsor, and we have got support from ICICI, HDFC and all other 18 banks. So all the banks are very cooperative for the builders fraternity in Hyderabad, and this time this show is going to become a mark for Andhra Pradesh, because earlier more than 60,000 people visited. This time we are expecting more than 75,000 because of clarity has come. So people will purchase the properties. Apart from that one, Hyderabad is having very low rates, affordable rates with lot of superior infrastructure facilities. And that is the reason why we are expecting more number of stalls and more number of visitors this time. Definitely in this situation, if it is A option, B option or C option, you take any option, whatever the political situation it be. Hyderabad has an advantage because of the common capital. Apart from that one, all these 4 years, because of the uncertainty and ambiguity, the sales were less. Now the clarity has come. Definitely rates will improve and the demand for Hyderabad will improve, because Hyderabad is such a place where everybody loved Hyderabad because of the weather condition, because of the infrastructure, because of the outer ring road, international airport, and it is well connected to India and the rest of the world. These are all the reasons. On one side, rate is very less, and the other side with super international standard infrastructure. And that is the reason why. Scientific reason is there. No other reason. With this scientific reason, rates are going to increase, and all the builders fraternity in Hyderabad will have very good happy moments in future. Thank you.